baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig Glueless. Occasionally I'm going to dibble dabble in some more frontos, but lately my obsession, you guys, is Glueless. One, because it's super easy, and two, the hairline on these Glueless wigs just come ready. We're just going to chit chat our way through it because it literally takes just a few minutes. Today's hair sponsor is Simidola hair. This is actually a new collaboration for me and my channel. I have not worked with them before and I'm super excited to work with them. They have really good glueless wigs, and to add to that, a glueless closure dome cap wig. I'm sold. What I have installed today is a 24-inch 4x6 HD closure glueless dome cap wig. This is in the density 180% and it is obviously in the straight texture.
Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Today is a very special day because I'm actually installing a wig with a bald cap, and I laid this bald cap. Can you take it in? I'm gonna be installing this wig from Simidola hair, and this is what it looks like. Fresh out of the box as well, so I didn't bleach the knots or anything. This is what she looks like. So I'm gonna adjust the strap. That is really important. I'm gonna make it as tight as possible. Give me a concussion tight. I'm gonna try it on for you guys without putting any lace in, and then we're gonna see if we need it or not. So let's just go ahead. Ooh. So this is her without any lace tint, just on glueless. Looks pretty good, but if you get really close, you can see it's a little bit lighter. That would definitely be melted down if we put some spray or melt spray. We're gonna level it up. Use medium dark brown. Right? With these 6x4 lace wigs, it does extend a little bit out on the sides here. So what I like to do is press her out. Train that hair to really lay forward. That's the spot that's gonna give it away. So you just press it down, press it forward, pull the hair forward and go like this. Take a piece of the track, do the same thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that unnecessary. Do want that hair to be kind of pushed off of my face, kind of like this. I'm gonna go in with some melting spray by Ebon, but this is just to hold that style in place. This is really good for flyaways because it does really lay those flyaways down, but it still gives it a dry look. Like, it doesn't make it look wet, which I don't like. I'm gonna use one of their little brush that it came with, little mini brush that it came with. Because I didn't bleach the knots, it's gonna give bleached knots. And this always makes it look more realistic, in my opinion. Clean it up. And then I go in with some cheap hairspray. It's not giving me any inch longer than what it claims to be, which is okay, I guess. Hair itself is very soft, but it also looks more natural. Like, it looks like this could be my hair. It's not super silky, but yet it's still very smooth. It's just very much giving silk press. And that's it, you guys. Look at that. And when I say HD and glueless, baby, look at her. She comes ready to wear, fresh out of the box install. I didn't do a damn thing besides part it, straighten it, and put some lace spray on it. That's it. I didn't put no glue or nothing. Look at this hairline, you guys. Spectacular. What I really love about these recent models of dome cap wigs is the hairline and the cap construction. On these dome caps, they do have this little extend the lace kind of thing where it goes like a Y. So instead of it just going like 4x4, which is straight and just like a 4x4, it has like a Y, so it opens up right here around the temple. That gives you that opportunity to hide that lace, that wiggy look, so you can do no baby hairs and get away with it, and it looks this good, you guys. Get into it. When I say glueless, it is actually glueless. Where it needs to be glueless the most is here. The lace is snug to my head. If I pick it up and drop it, it'll just go back into place. Look. That's what you want for a glueless wig. You really don't need to secure her because she feels like she's secured. I did tighten the band and it feels like, yeah, it's not going anywhere. I can flip, I can do everything. I can do everything that I would normally do and it's gonna stay in place. And you guys, today I did decide to do a bald cap. So this is my HD bald cap. It comes with this HD lace cap and that's what I used. Yeah, so I was saying, I did a bald cap and I find that it's sticking better with the bald cap. I didn't know this because I usually never do bald caps, but because I have the bald cap underneath, I swear the lace seems like it's sticking better to that, so it's really not going anywhere. It feels very comfortable to wear, but also the hair does feel relatively soft. Like, there's no snagging. It does feel like really high quality hair, but I definitely think that they could have used some more. Giving me 150. It is what it is. But guys, if I bleach the knots on this lace, it's gonna be over. It looks very neat. It looks like it's literally growing out of my scalp. If you want to purchase this wig from Simidola Hair, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. And I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.